we're going to solve the Dalton's law. We have our voltage at 10 volts, our resistance 4 resistance, 2 resistance, 5 resistance, and 3 resistance. First, we're going to get the Rn. Since we have our RL 3 ohms, to get our Rn, the formula we use is this: 5 ohms plus 4 ohms parallel of 2 ohms. 5 plus 4 times 2 over 4 plus 2 is equal to 6.33 ohms. Second, we're going to solve the IN. Since we have our 5 volts, 4 ohms, 2 ohms, and 5 ohms. Our formula is 1.84 times 2 over 2 plus 5 is equal to 0.525 ampere. And last, we're going to solve IP. We have V over R total is equal to 10 over 4 plus 5 times 2 over 5 plus 2 is equal to 1.84 ampere. Yes, we have our IN, RN, RN. So we're going to solve the IL. Our IL is equal to 0.525 times 6.33 over 6.33 plus 3. Our IL is 0.356 ampere. That's all that we do. But here in the front, so we solve the Thevenin's law and Norton's law. We have again 50 volts, 4 ohms, 4 ohms and 8 ohms, 10 ohms, 5 ohms. So first we're going to solve I1. Our formula is V over Rs is equal to 20 AP over 11. Plus 20 times 11 over 80, we have 11 over 4 or 2.57 ampere. Second is we're going to solve the I2. 4 times I1 over R2. 4 times 2.75 over 22 plus 11 over 22 plus our answer is 1/2 plus 0.5 ampere. Second is we're going to get R1 8 plus 10 parallel 4 plus 4 plus 18 times 4 over 18 plus 4 plus 4 is equals to 26 over 11 plus 4 is equals to 80 over 11 resistance. Our R2 is 8 plus 10 plus 4 is equals to 32 resistance. Our VTH is equals to 0.5 times 10 is equals to 5 volts. And our RTH is equals to 4 parallel of 4 plus 8 parallel of 10 is equals to 4 times 4 over 4 times 4 plus 8 parallel of 10 is equals to 2 plus 8 parallel of 10 is equals to 10 times 10 over 10 plus 10 is equals to 5 resistance. And last is equal to 5 ohms, 5 voltage, 5 ampere. Again, IL is equals to 5 over 5 plus 5 is equals to 1/2 over